Welcome back to Sports Extra with me, Ahmed Nawaz. We're in conversation with the president of the Pakistan Taekwondo Federation, Mr. Colonel Waseem, and we're also discussing the fact that the National Taekwondo Championship is going to start with the opening ceremony on the 28th of this month, and then of course the closing ceremony on the 1st of November at SA Gardens in Kala Shah Kaku, Lahore, and we're going to be witnessing more than 600 athletes competing, and also from various departments that we discussed at the same time as well. Sir, at this moment I'd really like to say that we in Pakistan often indulge in so much criticism that we forget to give credit where it's due, and I think on this platform of Sports Extra we've always done the opposite. We always want to give that credit, and I must say that under your able leadership, since you and your team have taken over, we've seen a lot happening in Taekwondo. We've seen 2 international gold medals in the 2019. We also saw the youngest gold medal in the Fujairah competition as well in Dubai, with a 9-year-old girl from Swat, Aisha, winning as well. So a lot is happening, and we must understand that there is a lot being done in order to achieve a lot of medals for Pakistan in Taekwondo, sir. What does the future have in store for us?
Thank you very much. I just wanted to say that all this happening, whatever you have mentioned, that we got the medal, first is the interest, the willingness, and the potential that Pakistan have. That is the main reason. When there is a potential, when there is a will, when there is an interest of the different companies, then it will also give a management a sort of a ray of hope. So I'm getting so much positive response from my sponsors that for example, we have now received around more than 1 crore rupees to buy the latest equipment, which will be going to use in the Olympics. Likewise, whenever I ask to hold the event to my sponsors, they are forthcoming, and they never say me no. They say, sir, we are with you. For example, when I got this international event, for that we have to go for the bid. And one of my South Asian president, Mr. Umar Saeed, who is also the CE and MD of the Hankook, he said that, sir, go ahead, and I can give you assurance that we will be standing behind you to give you any support you want. Likewise, my patron chief, Lieutenant General Javed Iqbal Ramde, he was also very supportive. And the moment we came from South Asian Games, he was the one who has called. At that moment, at that time, he was the MD of FFBL. He called all the athletes, including the officials and the coaches also, and they gave the cash prizes. So these are the little incentives and the spirit which I have been given by my people, and this forced me to go and help my athletes. And you will see, inshallah, there in 21 there will be like Islamic games are there. Then there is a indoor martial art games. Then we have the Olympics qualification round. At the end of the year, we have youth games. So there are lots of happening in 21. Because of COVID in 20, there will be more events. And one in 21, we will be taking one event in Pakistan. So in that we have planned that at least minimum we should pitch 800 Pakistani athletes aging from 12 to 14, then youth, that is under 17, and then the seniors. So when they will get this 800 athletes, the opportunity to exhibit their technique and skills in Pakistan, having all that equipment, which normally we cannot use it. Our athletes, they at times the head guard and the hobos which we used to wear, it cost more than $3,000, and it's a very poor sport that is being played in Pakistan. But now they will be given opportunity of these equipment. I can give you assurance that the people from Balochistan, the young athletes from KPK, then FATA, and even Punjab and Sindh also, they are performing extraordinary. Then in these period, we also have the foreign coach with us, which is almost now, it's almost 1 year that is working, and we are going for the Pumse event also, because in South Asian we felt that we are lacking and we are weak as compared to the other nations like India, Nepal, Bhutan. they are Sri Lanka. They are better in Pumse. So we are also getting the Pumse coach, and again the Pakistan Army, the Director of Army Sports. I have spoken to him. We have lots of chat. We have discussions, and they are now willing that you bring the coach, and they will be going and they will be paying the handsome salary to him. So this way we are planning that we have to go in 21. And I'm very much hopeful that Mr. Haroon, Mr. Rav Nawaz, Mr. Shahdev, these got 3 gold medals in South Asia. They have all the potentials to qualify for the Tokyo Olympics.
Inshallah, sir, we sincerely hope, and I think from this platform, from the entire nation, on behalf of Pakistanis all around, I think we absolutely applaud your services and your team as well. And I think the fact can be taken that we have always seen Taekwondo players with a lot of praise for the Federation, and that is something very different to see in Pakistan. That really means that a lot is being done for them as well. And certainly, sir, your efforts are something that must be commendable. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you very much. And this is just a little effort we are doing it, but there's so much to do for our athletes. It's not only in Taekwondo, it's everywhere. And I am highly obliged to you and to your team and Pakistan television world that they have called me here on this platform, and they've given me the opportunity to share my views with you. I am highly obliged and grateful.
It's been an honor, sir. Thank you so much, Mr. Colonel Waseem, the President of the Pakistan Taekwondo Federation. We were in an exclusive conversation, and once again, I think the highlight has got to be the fact that the National Taekwondo Championship is starting on the 28th of this month at SA Gardens in Kala Shakaku in Lahore. More than 600 athletes. It's going to be action, and it's going to be real excitement. And of course, with the closing ceremony on the 1st of November at the same time as well, it's going to be an absolute ball of an event to witness as well. And definitely, I think that the future of Pakistan Taekwondo is in great hands, and we can expect some great moments in the future, especially from the Olympics and all the international events that are happening as well. We're going to say goodbye to you now from me and the entire team. Until next time, stay tuned to Sports Extra.